Daniel, wake up. I feel really terrible right now.
Olivia? What's wrong? Why are you shaking?
My stomach hurts so much, and I feel very sick.
Wait, your skin is burning hot. You have a fever. This is serious. You are much hotter than normal.
I feel cold, but also very hot at the same time.
Did you vomit today? Or feel like vomiting?
Yes, I already vomited earlier this morning.
We need to go to the hospital right now.
I feel too weak. I don't think I can stand.
It's okay. Lean on me. I will help you walk.
Thank you. I'm really scared right now.
Noah, Lily, wake up. Mommy is very sick.
Dad, what happened? Why are you so worried?
Is Mommy okay? I heard her voice.
Put on your jackets. We are leaving now.
Is Mommy going to the hospital tonight?
I don't want Mommy to be in pain.
Doctors will help her. We must go quickly.
Okay, Dad. I'm ready. Let's go.
Careful, Olivia. Sit down slowly.
Everything feels like it's spinning.
Mommy, I'm right here with you.
Stay strong, Mom. We love you.
We are almost there. Just hold on. Help! My wife is very sick.
We will help her. Bring her here quickly.
Thank you. I can't walk well.
Please help her fast.
Sit here. We will take care of you.
I'm very worried about her condition.
The doctor will check her soon. Please fill out this form.
Yes, I'll do it right now.
Hello, Olivia. Can you tell me where it hurts?
Right here. My stomach hurts very badly.
Do you feel cold or have chills right now?
Yes. I feel cold and very weak.
Did you vomit today or feel like vomiting?
Yes. I vomited several times this morning.
She has been very sick since early morning.
We need to understand what caused this. What did you eat yesterday, Olivia?
Eggs for breakfast and salad for lunch.
And what about dinner last night?
Wait. I remember something important now. I found old seafood in the fridge. It smelled okay, so I decided to eat it.
You ate old seafood? That is dangerous.
That could be the cause of your illness. Please never eat old food to save money. Your health is much more important than money.
You are right. I made a big mistake.
We will be more careful from now on.
We will do a blood test to confirm.
Please find out what is wrong with her.
I hope it is nothing too serious.
We will take good care of you.
I'm really worried about Mom.
I want Mommy to feel better soon.
The doctors are helping her right now.
I hope she comes back home quickly.
I have the test results now.
Doctor, is she going to be okay?
She has food poisoning from bad seafood. She needs rest, water, and soft food. Also, she must take this medicine daily.
Thank you, doctor. We will follow everything.
Thank you. I feel safer now.
Drink slowly, Olivia. This will help you recover.
I feel very weak, but I will try. Where am I right now?
Mommy, you are awake finally.
We were waiting for you to wake up.
I feel a little better now.
Mommy, I brought you warm soup. It is soft and not spicy for you.
Thank you, sweetie. That means a lot.
We helped prepare it for you.
This soup tastes really good.
I'm glad you can eat something now.
Eat more so you can get strong again.
Yes, we need you back home soon.
Let me check your temperature now. It's lower than before. That's good news.
I feel less fever now.
Mommy is getting better.
Olivia, you are recovering very well.
That is great to hear, Doctor.
Thank you for helping me.
You can go home soon.
Yay! Mommy is getting better.
We missed you so much.
I missed you all too.
Okay, I will bake a cake for Olivia. Why is the flour sticking everywhere?
It looks like a snowstorm in here.
Let's help Dad make the cake.
Yes, we can do it together.
Teamwork will make this better.
But maybe less flour next time.
I will crack the egg slowly.
Don't drop the shell inside.
Oh no, a little shell fell in.
That's okay. We can fix it.
The cake is baking now.
I hope it comes out perfect.
This is my first time baking.
It will be great, Dad.
Oh no, the cake is burnt.
It looks like a black rock.
I forgot to check the oven.
Let's try again one more time.
This time, we follow the recipe exactly.
Set the timer and watch carefully.
We can do it this time.
Yes. This will be perfect.
Wow, the cake looks amazing.
We did it together as a team.
Finally, a perfect cake.
Mom will love this surprise.
Why is the house so dark?
Surprise!
Welcome home, Olivia.
We made this cake for you.
This is the best surprise ever.
You deserve all our love.
You are the best mom in the world.
We love you so much, Mom.